Imagine ditching your boring 9-5 job this year and replacing your entire salary by building simple AI systems for businesses without writing even one line of code. In 2026, regular people are quietly making $5,000 to $15,000 per month running AI automation agencies. And the craziest part, most started with zero tech experience, just like you. Stick around till the end. I'm giving you the exact free tools, step-by-step roadmap, and my first client strategy that got me to $3,000 in under 30 days. If you want financial freedom in 2026, this is the #1 AI money hack exploding right now. Let's jump in. Look, 2026 is the year AI agents are taking over. Businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks, emails, social posts, lead follow-ups, customer support, and they're paying big to automate it. According to reports from UiPath, Google Cloud, and PwC, companies are shifting to agentic AI that doesn't just chat, but actually runs entire workflows autonomously. Small businesses, ecom stores, real estate agents, coaches are desperate for this, but they don't know how. That's where you come in as the AI automation agency owner. Real talk. I've seen people hit 8K, 10K month in just a few months. On Reddit and LinkedIn, agency owners are sharing they scaled to 100K month by focusing on ROI and results. No fluff, this is happening right now. And the best part? You can start from anywhere, even Pakistan, with a VPN, zero investment, and no coding. Step 1. Pick your niche 3-4 min. Don't try to serve everyone. In 2026, niches win. Top USA niches right now: e-commerce stores, auto inventory, abandoned cart emails, real estate agents, lead nurturing, follow-ups, online coaches or consultants, client onboarding, content scheduling, local services, dentists, GEMS, appointment reminders. Pick one you understand. Example, if you like ecom, target Shopify stores. Step 2. Earn the free no-code tools. 5-6 min demo time. 2026's best no-code tools all have free tiers. Make.com or N8N build workflows, connect apps plus AI Claude.ai or Grok or ChatGPT for smart AI logic, or Prompt Zapier free for basics. 11 Labs voice AI if needed for Cal's Gumloop, or Stack AI for advanced agent builders. Demo. Make.com show simple workflow, for example, new lead in Google Form AI analyzes with Claude auto email via Gmail plus Slack notification. Prompt example for Claude. Act as an automation expert. Build a workflow to auto-qualify leads for a real estate agent. Takes 10-20 minutes to learn basics. No code. Step 3. Build your first automation offer for 5 min. Start simple. Charge $4,971.997 month, retainer for 1-3 automations. Examples: auto social media posting plus AI content gen plus personalized follow-ups, customer support bot integration. Create 2-3 templates first. For example, ecom abandoned cart recovery. Offer free audit. I'll review your processes and show X savings. Step 4. Land your first clients. USA focused. 4-5 min. Don't wait for Upwork. LinkedIn. Search Shopify store owner USA. Send personalized DM. Hey name, saw your store, I can save you 10+ hours or week with AI automation. Free 15 min audit. Facebook groups. Join Shopify entrepreneurs. Real estate investors. Use a cold email. Use Hunter.io for emails plus free tool like Instantly. IO for low entry. First client $497 setup plus 297 month templates in description. Aim for 1-2 clients first, that's 1K to K month quick. Step 5. Deliver and get paid 3 min. Use Loom videos to show results. Track ROI, time saved, money made. Upsell more automations. Scale by hiring freelancers later. Real examples. One guy on Medium scaled to 100K month with revenue share model. Reddit stories. Agencies hitting $5,000 in month 2 by niching down. Tips for 2026. Focus on ROI proof, not just cool AI. Use agentic tools like N8N agents for advanced stuff. Avoid agent washing. Deliver real results. Pakistan hack. Use VPN for tool access. PayPal or Stripe for payments. Mistakes. Overpromising. Running too many tools instead of getting clients. No contracts. Scale. Build team on Upwork. Create your own agency site. Card. Sell templates on Gumroad for passive income. 28,0030 CTA plus bonus. If you're ready to start your AI automation agency in 2026, smash that like button and comment agency below. I'll send my free starter prompt pack plus outreach templates. Subscribe plus bell for more AI money hacks. Links in description. Free trials for make.com, Claude, etc. Affiliate I earn if you sign up. Helps the channel. Go take action today. Your first $1,000 client is waiting. See you in the next one. End screen. Subscribe. Related videos. Comment. Now here's where most beginners get stuck. Proof. You might be thinking, what if I don't have clients yet? Here's the truth. You don't need paid clients to build proof. 3 easy ways to do this. Build demo automations for fake or sample businesses. Offer 1 free automation to a real business in exchange for a testimonial. Build automations you see online and record Loom demo example. I created an AI system that auto follows up with leads for a real estate agent and saves 12 hours a week. Business owners don't care if it's your first client, they care if it works. You don't need to be a sales expert. Use this simple 4-step call structure. Ask about their problems. Ask how much time or money it's costing them. Show the automation to move for the solution, plus price and either. Say, I sell AI automation. Say, I help businesses save time and increase revenue using AI systems. If the automation saves them 10 hours or week or brings extra leads, the price becomes irrelevant. To keep clients long-term, your delivery must be clean and simple. My delivery stack. Notion, client dashboard, Loom updates, and explanation. Google Docs, SOPs, weekly progress. Messagerial, underpromised, over-delivered. This and clients will stay longer. For others, pay higher retainers. Once you hit 3K 5K month, stop doing everything yourself. Scale smart. Hire freelancers from Upwork or Fiverr. Productize your service. Turn workflows into templates at 10K month. You're not an operator or a system builder. That's how real agencies scale. Let me be very clear. AI automation agencies are not a trend, they're an infrastructure business. Every company will need AI agents, automated workflow, side-driven decision system size like websites in 2010. AI systems in 2026 are mandatory. If you start now, you're positioning yourself years ahead of the curve. This is not easy money, but it is simple money. You will feel confused at first, rejected during outreach, overwhelmed by tools. That's normal. What matters is execution. 1 client can change everything. 2 clients can replace your job. 5 clients can change your life. The opportunity is real. The tools are free. The demand is exploding. The only missing piece is action. If you watch this far, you're not average. Comment agency. I'll send you free automation prompts, outreach scripts, beginner roadmap. Subscribe for real AI business content. No hype, no fake screenshots. Your 2026 self is watching this video. Don't disappoint him. See you in the next one.